Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove account restrictions on Facebook. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to remove account restrictions on Facebook. First, ensure you're logged into the restricted account. Facebook restrictions can be temporary or permanent, and while the solutions are similar, the steps differ slightly. For temporary restrictions, you can simply wait for the restriction to lift, but you can also speed up the process by going to the Help and Support section, selecting Report a Problem, and choosing Something Went Wrong. Provide details about your issue and explain why you believe the restriction was applied in error. For permanent restrictions, search for the official Facebook support link to appeal account restrictions. Submit the required details clearly, explaining why your account should not have been restricted. Following the steps increases your chances of resolving the issue and restoring full access to your Facebook account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.